Hello everyone, welcome in Electronic Devices Lab. Today we will perform our next experiment, that is input and output VI characteristics of transistor in common collector configurations. Apparatus required is transistor characteristics kit connecting leads. This is the circuit diagram of the transistor in common collector configuration. Here collector terminal is made common in the input side as well as in the output side. This voltmeter is used for measuring the voltage in the input side and this ammeter is used for measuring the current in the input side. This voltmeter is used to measuring the voltage in the output side and ammeter is used for measuring the current in the output side. VBB voltage is used to forward bias the base collector junction and VEE is used to reverse bias the emitter collector junction. Now we will perform this experiment in transistor characteristics kit and take the readings and draw the graph of the transistor in common collector configurations. Let's start with practical part of 6th experiment of Electronic Devices Lab, that is the transistor characteristics in common collector configuration. This is the circuit diagram of the common collector configurations. In this experiment, we will use transistor characteristics kit and connecting leads. Here are 2 voltmeters and 2 ammeters for measuring the voltage and currents. 2 transistors, one is NPN transistor, second is PNP transistors. 2 potentiometers for varying the input and output voltages. 1 switch for setting the ammeter to microampere range or milliampere range. Let's start to connect the circuit using common collector configuration. According to this circuit, negative side of the voltmeter and collector and the positive side of other voltmeter, they are connected together. So, negative side of voltmeter and collector of the transistor and positive side of the other voltmeter, they are connected together. Now connect the positive side of the voltmeter to the positive side of the ammeter and negative side of the first ammeter is connected to the base of the transistor. From emitter of the transistor, connect positive side of the ammeter and negative side of this ammeter is connected to the negative side of the voltmeter. This is the circuit diagram of common collector configuration. Now we will draw the input characteristics. For input characteristics, we will keep the output voltage as constant and vary the input voltage. According to input voltage, record the input current and draw its characteristics. This is the observation table for drawing the input characteristics of the transistor in common collector configuration. According to this table, we will keep VCE, that is the output voltage, to the constant level. Next, vary the input voltage, that is VBC, and record the current, input current IB. VCE is set at 1 volt, 3 volt and 5 volt. According to that, change the value of the VBC. Okay, so first of all, we will set the VCE voltage to the 1 volt. According to that, vary the input voltage. First of all, it is at 0.1 volt. Then record the current. Next, it is set to 0.2 volt. Then 8 microampere. It is set to at 8 microampere. 0.4, it is 30 microampere. 0.5, it is sharply increase. Next, we will set the voltage VCE to 3 volt and 5 volt and record the current. According to the readings of the input characteristics, we have drawn the characteristics of the transistor in common collector configuration. Here you can see that transistor current is sharply increases at VCE 2 volt and it is also sharply increased at VCE 4 volt. This is the input characteristics of the transistor. Now for the output characteristics of the transistor, this is the observation table. In this table you can see that we will keep the base current as constant, that is IB. According to that base current, increase the output voltage. According to the output voltage, there will be a change in the output current. Then record that readings and draw the graph. So first of all we will set the voltages and take the reading. First of all, set the base current to 10 microampere. Okay. We will increase the input port and set the input current at 10 microampere. Okay, now this is the 10 microampere. Now increase the voltage of the output in steps and find the emitter current. Note down the readings. At 1 volt it is showing as 2 milliampere. At 2 volt it is again showing as 3 milliampere, and in 3 volt it is again showing as 3 milliampere. According to that, record all the readings. According to the readings of output voltage and output current, draw the output characteristics. Output characteristics will be like this. Thank you.